What if your daily goodbye ritual is slowly breaking your dog's heart? Studies show 86% of dogs suffer anxiety when left alone. But it's not just loneliness. Last month, a rescue named Buddy chewed through a door to escape his safe room. His owner found him bleeding, surrounded by splintered wood. All because of one common mistake people make without realizing it. When you fuss over leaving, kissing, hugging, saying it's okay, you tell your dog, this is scary. Dogs mirror our energy. A study found dogs with emotional departures took 3x longer to calm down. Instead, be boring. Grab your keys silently. No eye contact. Train departures are as normal. Dogs learn calmness through repetition. This tells your dog, everything is fine. A walk around the block is not enough. Dogs need mental and physical drains before alone time. A restless dog becomes a destructive dog. Digging carpets, eating walls, or worse, swallowing dangerous objects. 20 minutes of sniffing tires their brain, faster than a 60-minute walk. Scatter feeding kibble and grass. Mental exhaustion is equals to calmness. Follow with a chew toy. Never rawhide, use rubber kongs. Giving a nervous dog free roam is like throwing a toddler into the ocean. They panic. Start small with a puppy-proof pen or crate if they are trained to love it. Never as punishment. Remove deadly hazards. Electrical cords kill. Lilies and sago palms are poisonous. Grapes and chocolate destroy organs. A safe space reduces anxiety by 74%. Coming home to a shredded couch? Yelling teaches them nothing. Dogs live in the moment. Dogs live in the if you scold them after, they link your arrival with anger, making anxiety worse. Instead, film them while gone. If they're stressed, pacing, whining, hire a force-free trainer. Or try calming supplements. Prevention beats punishment. Separation anxiety won't fix itself. Ignoring it leads to self-harm. Neighborhood complaints pile up. Or surrender to shelters. Act now with micro-absences. Start with 30 seconds. Increase slowly. Reward calmness. Never make arrivals exciting. Wait until settled before petting. Dog welfare isn't about grand gestures. It's about reading their silence. When you ditch chaotic goodbyes, drain energy smartly, and respect their limits. You are saying, I see you. You are safe. That's how trust builds. Start today.